In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app to use in this view and access it in the background. Then hold it and click on this icon below two rectangles. Then hit Next, Start, and finally use your window however you want to. You can move it around by holding those three lines. Click on Home button to turn it into a tiny window, and then swipe it to turn it into a bubble. To access it again, drag the bubble and click on Tiny Window. If you want to, you can scale it by holding one of its corners. To access your app in full screen view though, you can click the lower line, then hold it, drag it all the way down, and when you see this whitish area, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!